Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hose clamp for your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the hose clamp is damaged, broken, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a 5/16 inch nut driver and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So what we're going to do, we're going to tilt our washer back and set it on its back. So right here is our drain hose, and you can see here it goes to the pump, and we're going to be replacing this clamp here because we've been getting some leaks from this area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my channel locks here, and I'm going to grab on to this clamp, loosen it up, pull it off, then I can get my hose off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement hose clamp. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So with this hose clamp, I'm just going to slide it over the hose right here, and we'll reattach the hose to the pump. And once you've got the hose pushed up all the way, I'm going to take a 5/16 nut driver and I'm going to tighten the clamp down on that hose. Now the hose is nice and tight with the clamp secured properly in place, so we can stand the washer back up. So now we can set up our washer, and once we've done that, we can plug everything back in and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.